Though you will see click to continue and replay buttons in this video, these features are not supported by this format. You may want to pause the video when you see these buttons. If you want these features and the supplemental slides and files that correspond to the video, then enroll in the course at biztricks.us.
Copy-paste special is a powerful command that allows for additional time savings when building spreadsheets. In this lesson, we discuss how copy-paste special operates, including the paste, operation, and other commands, such as paste link. If you are comfortable with these concepts, then skip the lessons on paste special. Whenever you copy something, paste special is enabled. The default paste, Ctrl-V, is the same as paste special all, meaning formats and formulas are pasted. However, there are cases when you may want to paste formats or formulas only. Paste special has a wide range of available commands. Let's take a look. Copy B4 with Ctrl-C. Alt-H-V to open the Paste drop-down box located in the Home tab under the Clipboard group. Hover the mouse over the icons. Notice the tooltip that appears. This is a short description followed by the accelerator key for quick access. For example, the image that corresponds with V is for paste values. We will focus our time on S, or Paste Special, which launches the Paste Special dialog box. Some of the commands in the dialog box overlap with the Paste dropdown. So after learning about the dialog box, spend some time experimenting with the commands in the Paste dropdown. Press S for Paste Special. The available commands may seem overwhelming. We'll walk through the ones we feel are most important. There are two main sections, Paste and Operation. Within Paste, there are three commands that we use frequently: formulas, values, and formats. Within Operation, there are also three commands that we use with varying degrees of frequency: multiply, transpose, and paste link. Once you see the pattern for the paste and operation commands, you'll be able to move forward on your own to test and learn which commands to add to your toolbox. We use formulas, values, and formats roughly 90% of the time. The other 10% is filled by column widths, paste link, and transpose, with the occasional all except borders and the rare multiply.